guys, welcome to Cooking with Amma.
So Amma, what are we going to cook today?
Spicy tomato chutney.
So are the ingredients ready?
Yes.
Are we ready to cook?
Yes.
Let's go.
Okay.
So for spicy tomato chutney, we have already taken 1.5 tablespoon of oil in a pan, and after we let it heat for about a minute, we have added 1 tablespoon of mustard seed to it. We will wait until these mustard seeds start popping. Once they pop, we will be adding 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seeds or meaty dana, and we will let it fry until it turns golden brown in color. Now the fenugreek have turned golden brown in color. This is the perfect time for us to add the other ingredients. Now we will be adding about half kg of tomatoes. You can increase or decrease the quantity according to your requirements. Now we will be adding 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, after which we will be adding salt to taste. Now we will add 1 tablespoon of red chilli powder. You can increase or decrease the quantity according to your spice level. So we will close it with a lid and let it heat for 5 minutes on simmer flame, after which it is looking like this. It has started to reduce and it is looking very pretty. It is looking red in color, so pretty, and loving it. We will close it with a lid for another 15 minutes, and this is what it looks like, guys. It is amazing, and you can serve it with parathas, dosa, idli, even rice, and your spicy tomato chutney is ready. Enjoy! If you liked our video and want us to make more such videos, then don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel, which is Cooking with Amma. And don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified every single time we upload a video.